Hello everyone, myself Nilay Parekh. In our today's lecture of computer programming, we are going to discuss the most important operator of C programming, which is bitwise operator, in detail with some rules and with its type and examples. We saw relational operator, we saw logical operator, we saw arithmetic operator. Today, the most important, why I use this word most important, because bitwise operator is one of the advantage of C programming. So now let's start our bitwise operator. In bitwise operator, it will deal with either digit or number. It will deal only with such data type like integer and character. In bitwise operator, there are two types: binary bitwise operator and unary bitwise operator. In binary data type, there are three subtypes: AND, OR and XOR. Bitwise AND, bitwise OR and bitwise XOR. And in unary bitwise operator, there are three types: ones complement, shift left and shift right. Before understanding this each operator in detail, we must follow or we should know some basic declaration and rules regarding bitwise operator. First, it will deal with decimal number. If your number is in decimal, then you have to convert it into bit form or digit. Then apply appropriate truth table for that particular operation to find a result. After finding a result, now convert it into decimal point. So there are these basic 4 rules that you have to follow or you have to keep in mind when you are dealing with bitwise operator. Now स्क्रीन पे ध्यान दीजिएगा और मेरी आवाज पे ध्यान दीजिएगा. हम लोग हर एक ऑपरेटर को विथ ट्रूथ टेबल एंड एग्जाम्पल के साथ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सबसे पहले है bitwise AND operator. Now in this operator we require two operands. It works with high concept. If both operands are true, means 1, then it will be true. It is represented as ampersand. The truth table of this bitwise AND operator is here: operand 1, operand 2 and result. 0101 0011. As you can see, it is same as logical AND. If both are 0 or if one of them is 0, it will be 0, means false. If both are true or both are 1, then it will be 1. Here 0 represent false and 1 represent true. Now let's understand with C program. Hash include stdio.h. Void main. Here I took 3 variable a, b, c. Integer a equals to 5, b equals to 7, comma c. C equals to a and b. Here AND operation is in between a and b. And after the operation will be complete, the result will be stored in D. So we are printing printf %d. The variable name is c. Printf %d c. So output will be 5. How? So here a equals to 5 means the bit form of 5 is 101. B equals to 7, the bit form of 7 is 111. And we perform AND operation between A and B. So 101 and 111 in दोनों के बीच में AND operation होगा. And we know the truth table: if both are 1, then it will be 1. If one of them or both are 0, it will be 0. So answer will be 101. Then it will be converted into decimal, which is 5. So this is the bitwise AND operator. Now let's understand bitwise OR operator. It is same as AND. It requires 2 operands. It works with high concept between two numbers. If any of the both operand is 1, then it will be true. It is represented as a single vertical bar. The truth table of bitwise OR operator is here, operand 1, operand 2 and result 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. If both are 0, then it will be 0, otherwise in rest of the cases it will be 1. Now let's understand with C program. Here 0 represent false and 1 represent true. Hash include stdio.h. Void main. Here I took 3 variable a, b and d. A equals to 5, b equals to 7, and we perform OR operation, bitwise OR operation between a and b. And after the completion of operation, the answer will be stored in D. So answer will be 7. How? A equals to 5, that is 101. B equals to 7, that is 111. Now we know if both are 0, then it will be 0. Otherwise, in rest of the cases, it will be 1. So here you can see it 111, 011, 111. So answer will be 7. The last operator of this binary bitwise operator is bitwise XOR operator. It requires 2 operands. It works with high and low both concept. If both operands are different, then it will be true. मतलब क्या कि दोनों के operand 1 और operand 2 के अंदर different 0 and 1 ऐसे होना चाहिए. अगर सेम होगा 0 0, then it will be 0, 1 1, then it also will be 0. If it is 0 1 1 1 0 1, it is represented as a caret. 0 means false, 1 means true. Now let's understand with C program. Hash include stdio.h, void main. Here we took 3 variables a, b and d. A equals to 5, b equals to 7, d. D equals to a XOR b or a caret b. Whatever the answer, it will be stored into D and we are printing it. So here now let's understand how the answer is going to be performed. A equals to 5, which is 101, b equals to 7, which is 111. We know that if it is different, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. So here 1 1 means same, so it is a 0. 0 1, which is different, will be 1. 1 1, same, it will be 0. Then answer will be 0 1 0, which is 2. So we saw the binary bitwise operator, bitwise AND, bitwise OR and XOR. Now let's understand unary operator, ones complement, shift left and shift right. Bitwise ones complement operator. Now this operator required only, or it requires one operand. It works with high and low both concept. High means 1, low means 0. If the operand is 1, then it will become 0 and vice versa. Means 1 होगा तो 0 होगा और 0 होगा तो 1 होगा. And it represents as a bar. The symbol you can see here, it is a complement symbol. So the truth table of this ones complement is operand 1 and result. If it is 1, then it is 0. If it is 0, then it will be 1. Now let's understand with C program. Hash include stdio.h, void main. Here we took only 2 variable a equals to 5 and d. In d we are performing the ones complement of a and the answer will be stored into d. So answer will be 2. How? So now let's understand the process, how it works. A equals to 5, which is 101, and we are performing ones complement of a. So 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1 as per truth table. So 101 will become 010 and which is 2. Now let's understand the rest of 2 operator, shift right and shift left, or you can say right shift operator, left shift operator. Now this both operator requires one complement, and these both works shifting one value from given binary. If it is right, it will shift to right side, and if it is left, it will shift to left side. And both as denoted as this different sign, 2 times greater than and 2 times less than. Let's understand this both operator in a single screen. Hash include stdio.h, void main, a equals to 5, d equals to a, greater than means right shift operator 2, and the answer will be stored into d. So the output will be 1. How? A equals to 5, 101, and we are shifting the 2 for this 101. So the first and second digit will be shifting, and the third digit will come at the first position, and the rest of 2 digit will be 0. यानी क्या होगा, तो थर्ड पोजीशन पे 1 था वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा, उसकी लेंथ हमें मेंटेन रखनी है, तो उसके पीछे 2 0 वापस ऐड हो जाएंगे, एंड इट विल बिकम 1012 001 and 001 is 1. Same thing happened in shift left. If you performing this same operation with shift left, so output will be 4. How? A equals to 5, which is 101, and we are performing shifting left operator for 2 digit or 2 position. So 101 will become 100. जो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है वो थर्ड पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा, and we have to maintain the length. So rest of the 2 position will be filled out with 0. So answer will be 101 to 100, and which is 4. So student, in this lecture we discuss bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise ones complement, shift right and shift left. I prepared a small quiz regarding this whole bitwise operator. The link is mentioned in caption. Please go through it. If you have any doubt, mention me in this comment. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you.